Standard 8 subject Social Science, chapter number 14. Introduction of the continents Africa and Asia. We have learned about different continents in previous semester and previous years. In this semester we are going to learn about Africa and Asia. Following is a physical map of Africa where we can see Mediterranean Sea in the north direction, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean in the below side and Indian Ocean in the right hand side. There is Cape of Good Hope in the near Indian Ocean and Tropic of Cancer passes through it. If first we are going to learn about the Africa. World Tourism Fair was organized in the city. Various tourist organization and tourism department of country has been sharing information about tourist destinations, important historical, geographical and cultural points of view. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. The length and breadth of African continent is almost the same. 2/3 of continent lies north to the equator. That means the maximum part of continent is in torrid zone. We have learned about different zones in previous part. Till the 18th century, the continent of Africa was unexplored, so it was known as the dark continent. The missing link of evolution of human from ape was discovered from Nile Valley. Bartholomew Dias discovered the sea route to the Cape of Good Hope in 1493 CE. This discovery helped Vasco da Gama in 1498 CE to discover the sea route to India. In this map, we can see the Cape of Good Hope located. The maximum part of African continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. It covers 20% of total land mass on the earth. It has coastal line running 30,000 kilometers. Mount Kilimanjaro, an extinct volcano, and Sahara Desert are the physiographical features of Africa. The major landforms of Africa is plateaus and highland. The Atlas mountain ranges lies in northwest of the continent. Mount Topkal is the highest mountain of this range and its height is 4,165 meters. The highest mountain of the range of mountains in East Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest volcanic mountain. Its height is 5,895 meters. Apart from this mountain, there are highlands and plateaus with an average altitude of 915 meters in south of Africa. The Ethiopian highlands have an altitude between 1500 and 4550 meters. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, lies in the north of the continent. This area is full of rocky highlands. The Great Rift Valley of East Africa was created due to tectonic movements. Due to accumulation of water lakes like Lake Victoria, Lake Malvi, it is also known as Lake Nyasa, and the Lake Tanganyika has been formed. Most of the rivers of Africa originates from central highlands and meet the sea, whereas few rivers dry before they reach the sea. Due to rocky terrain, the rivers are not much useful as waterways. The major rivers of Africa are Nile, Congo, Niger, and Zambezi. The various lakes are Victoria, Chad, Turkana, Natron, etc. Nile is the longest river in the world. Its length is 6,436 kilometers. It originates from the highlands of Ethiopia and flows through Sudan and Egypt to meet the Mediterranean Sea. With a surface area of 68,800 square kilometer, Lake Victoria is the Africa's largest lake by area. and is also the largest tropical lake in the world. Lake Victoria is the world's second largest freshwater lake by surface area. The climate and vegetation of Africa is very diverse. Varying temperature and precipitations leads to the wide variety in vegetations too. Extremely hot and humid climate suits the tree like mahogany, ebony, longwood, rosewood, ironwood, rubber, cinchona and bamboo. The rainfall decreases as one proceeds towards north, and so the vegetation too changes. Sprawling grasslands to savanna to thorny bushes of cactus, date palms, etc. in Sahara Desert. Mediterranean region of Africa receives rainfall in winter. Here sweet and citrus fruits such as orange, lemon, peach, grapes, etc. are grown. Following is the photo of vegetation of Africa, and where equatorial dense forest vegetation, mahogany and thorny vegetations are shown. This is the political map of Africa, where countries like Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Zaire, Angola, Zambia, Namibia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Kenya, etc. are situated. Other than this, animals like camel, hippopotamus, lion and deer are shown in, we can see that in Africa. 70% of Africans indulge in agriculture. Various crops like tea, coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco are grown with regular crops. Malagasy and Zanzibar Island of East Africa produce various crops like clove, coffee, rice, etc. Zanzibar is also known as the island of cloves. Various minerals like gold, diamond, copper, uranium, manganese, etc. are found from mines of Johannesburg and Transvaal of South Africa. Mineral oil is found in Egypt and Libya. The Bushman in the Kalahari Desert and Masalip in Sudan, the Bantu in Kenya and Bidonis lives in Egypt. There are various countries in South Africa. The most ancient country in the world in Arab Republic is Egypt. The great civilization of Egypt grew on the bank of river Nile. The Tropic of Cancer passes through South Egypt. Dates and cotton are grown in abundance. Cairo is the capital city as well as industrial center. The Suez Canal has brought Asia and Europe closer to each other. South Africa. It is the country located at the southernmost end of the continent of Africa. It is a country lying in the temperate zone with tropical climate. Primarily, South Africa was an agriculture country, but the discovery of diamond and gold mines near the river Vaal is 1867 brought the drastic change in the economy. Pretoria it is capital, but its parliament is in Cape Town. Durban and Johannesburg are the other major cities. In next part, we will learn about Asia.